My name is Nanhee Kim. I'm originally from South Korea, but now live and work in Toronto. I am a sculptural knitted textile artist who explores the themes of resisting social conformity, nurturing individuality, and dismantling patriarchy. My work is inspired by the ephemeral tranquility, escapism, and inner peace that nature briefly provides to women and marginalized people. Layered Fluidity number 6 is a three-dimensional knitted wall-hanging art piece created in 2020. It is part of my Layered Fluidity collection, which comprises a series of distinctive knitted wall hangings and ceiling-suspended sculptures inspired by ocean waves. The collection depicts the sensorial experience of cresting water, particularly the associated feelings and emotions. The resulting three-dimensional creations invite observers to encounter unfamiliar spaces and meditative pavilions. Another inspiration behind Layered Fluidity number 6 was the daydreams I experienced about escaping social constraints in South Korea. As the eldest child under conservative parents and as a female in a male-dominated society, I was often expected to fit into prescribed roles and norms that conflicted with how my natural instincts urged me to act. I would frequently visit the empty winter beach during quiet early mornings to meditate in the calm surroundings while listening to the sounds of waves, in order to release myself from the confusions and frustrations of daily life. As such, I often found myself daydreaming about becoming part of the water so that I could merge with the rain, streams, rivers, and oceans to escape from my immediate surroundings and instead travel around the world. Nature's eternal patterns and flexible movements impressed me with their audaciousness and persistent courage. Layered Fluidity number 6 features two symmetrical, elongated, rectangular knitted pieces. Each segment contains architectural knitted waves, a stitch technique that I developed to illustrate the dimensional aspects and continuous patterned movements of ocean waves. The textile can be viewed from multiple perspectives. Knitted triangle waves flow from the upper corners and merge at the bottom to form the outline of a single drop of water, a reference to the origins of the oceans.